All right, now that this window's set into the opening, we need to go ahead, get it centered into the opening, and then make sure it's level and get it screwed in. Okay, it's nice and level. Now that all the sash stops are back in place, I'm going ahead and put these balance covers back in. All you have to do is look at the side that's angled. This side here goes to the front of the window, the inside. This will go to the outside. You just push it in. Get it up tight against your sash stop. And then just push it up against the window frame. And it locks right in place.